everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to random shuffle some names and print out the first 2 or 3 names in this list. So before you get started, you need to import the random module. Now I think it comes already built in with the Python program, but if it doesn't, you're going to have to install it through pip. Now I've created a function here called shuffle names, and then I've created a list and I've just added some random names into my list. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to use the print function here to print out a message to our users, telling the users what's going to happen, generating a random, that's wrong, random names. Okay, and we'll just do that there, and you need to import the time module here because I'm going to do time.sleep. This is completely optional, by the way. You don't have to do this, but I'm doing it because it makes it look like the program is working if there's a pause. Okay, so I'm going to type in random from this module and then dot, and we've got all these choices here, but I'm going to do shuffle. Then I'm going to pass it the argument name, so basically it's going to shuffle the names. Then I'm going to create another variable called rand names or random names, and I'm going to assign it to the names list. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this, which will start from index position 0 here, and I want to go up to like index position 3, so that should be 0, 1, 2, 3 there. And then what I want to do is I want to print out the random names. Print rand names. Then all I want to do now is to call the function, which is shuffle names, save it and run the program. Generating random names, so we got Dave, Sid, Bob. Let's have a look. So let's generate 3 more random names again. Bob, Bill, Dave, and once more for good luck, Bill, Dave, Andy. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.